Hi friends, this is Hasmukh Shah, founder of ADL Group, Treasuries, Advanced Designs and Lifestyles, based in Mumbai and Dadar. We are into the field of architecture and interior design for more than 40 years. We are having projects pan-India and few international projects. I am lucky that my second generation, that is my son Darshan and daughter-in-law Riddhi, both architects, and they are taking my legacy forward. I'm also proud to say that I'm associated with the professional body that is IIID, Institute of Indian Interior Designers. This institute is having 32 chapters pan-India. I represented Mumbai chapter as chairperson-elect. At IIID, we have two membership, that is professional designers as well as trade fraternity. Here, we designers as well as manufacturers of products as well as the service providers work hand in hand for the benefit of interior industry. You'll be happy to note that IIID's main aim is that the design and technology should benefit the masses. Today, here we are going to talk about technology, especially home automation, playing the role in our daily life. When I started 40 years back, this technology was non-existing, but since last 10 years, home automation is available on various platforms to simplify our lifestyle of young and old. This technology is well compatible with innovative gadgets taking place every moment. I'm also proud to say that most of our residential projects are having home automation. These projects are looked upon by Darshan and Riddhi, and I would like you all to hear from Riddhi, which she will be talking about her experiences and advices for home automation. Riddhi, can you take this forward? Thank you.
Surely. Hi, I'm Riddhi Shah, Principal Architect at ADL. Thank you for this platform to share an opinion on one of the fastest growing industry. Our portfolio at ADL includes high-end bungalows across India, interiors of luxury residences in prestigious projects across Mumbai, and large-scale corporate offices in various states. Today, 8 out of every 10 clients prefer automation to be included in their home and workspaces. Nearly half of all the businesses in India will implement RPA, that is Robotic Automation Process. This is the data by International Data Corporation. Home automation systems are gaining traction across the globe due to their various advantages in security systems, such as notifying the users about intruders and activities at their homes, which in turn aids in preventing potential crimes. They also help in minimizing energy consumption and increasing operational efficiency. So take, for instance, in today's times, touchless tech is especially important to avoid spread of COVID-19. Besides this, improving living standards and the availability of affordable home automation solutions have encouraged consumers across all income segments, especially in two-tier cities and urban areas. It also helps the younger generation to assist older adults from faraway distances. Furthermore, with the use of IoT in these systems, everything from appliances to security systems can be controlled with smart home devices. Owing to this, the several technology giants like Apple, Google, Microsoft have invested in home automation business. So now a major chunk of service industry has accepted work from home style of working. So smart home automation helps in creating a comfortable atmosphere around her home. They offer intelligent and adaptive lighting as well as climate control solutions that increase the growth opportunities. So smart lights, intelligent climate control help in saving energy and costs. They can also be used for water conservation. So with this digital transformation, automation is growing across sectors, from traditional industries to government systems and even service sector, which has now started using it for hiring processes to tax management to personal finance to water management and then electricity conservation. Quoting from Pranjal Sharma's book, India Automated, is there is now at least one element of automation built into the system in almost everything we see, experience, and use. So the impact of all the technologies like AI, drones, blockchain, augmented and virtual reality is the rise of automation in India. So the shift is not about saving costs, but about getting better and real-time insights into internal operations. We live in an era of not just information overload, but also instant information. So phrases like IoT and connected devices are used fairly liberally, but their real impact is on the information that they generate. The quality, the speed, and the quantum of information is helping small and large businesses to understand their own organizations much better. Just to sum it up, for we as architects and designers who play an integral role in creating all the home and work environment, we need to start considering automation as one of the mandatory core services, just like we do for MEP in all our projects. So friends, let's welcome and embrace this change of digital transformation. Thank you.